What's up guys, I am Biz Bazaar and today we are reviewing the 4S Professional windshield wipers. These blades are designed with nanotechnology in mind so that each time they wipe, you get the best swipe. Windshield wipers are one of the most essential elements when it comes to your car's maintenance and upkeep. When it rains, the windshield wipers are your first defense against that rainfall. If the windshield wipers are not in a steam working condition and they're not prepared for even light to heavy rainfall, it could run the risk of you not only ruining your car, but losing your life. If you're going to be getting wipers, you're going to want to get wipers that make sure that they keep in mind the essential element of what they're designed to do, which is to keep as much water off your windows as possible. The aerodynamic design pattern makes it easier to move back and forth when it is wiping your window against the high speeds of your car and rainfall at the same time, making it able to do a faster and better swipe with the anti-rust technology. No matter how much that it rains, it'll keep your wipers from being rusted. Other thing that I really like about these wipers is that their design on the actual wiper blade is to remove as much water from the window with each swipe. It being a summer season, I know that there's more rainfall to come. I do all kinds of traveling as a wedding DJ and a filmmaker, and I can't take the risk of having wipers that could potentially leave me in a situation where my life is in jeopardy because my windshield wipers aren't clearing up enough water out of the way at 2 o'clock at night when I'm driving back. Even if let's say something happens, you have a 2-year warranty on these wipers, 2 years. So if something happens, you still have 2 years from the date of purchase to send the wipers back and they'll send you a new pair. The number one reason, the main reason that I would recommend this product to anybody is because I know nothing about cars. Because I know nothing about cars, I look for products that are built people who know nothing about cars. With this type of product, thinking about changing your wipers isn't a daunting task. With these wipers, it was as simple as 2 clicks to remove each wiper from its already held position. It's not a daunting task anymore. It's not 20 minutes outside in the blistering sun, watching YouTube videos, trying to remember how I did this last time. Now I know 2 years from now, you're not gonna remember how to replace your windshield wipers, but their ability to swipe in and out in 30 seconds, you're not gonna forget that. And that's what makes this product to me so valuable and so useful. Today we reviewed the 4S Professional windshield wiper blades. Make sure that if you want to grab yourself some professional wiper blades, you head on over to the 4S description link in the bottom part below. Grab yourself some of these wiper blades because they are definitely worth the money. I am Biz Bazaar and peace.